I'm Levi.
Leela and Levi. I'm Dominic. And what we have here is a beehive kit that my sister got us. And we're going to unbox everything and look at the pieces and see what we have here. Yep, and we're going to build it. So go ahead and grab the first thing, Leela.
So this is a bee brush.
What is that used for, Levi?
So this is used for brushing the bees off of the little comb things.
Okay.
And
these
are hive tools.
Yep, this is a hive tool. It's used to break up the propolis and get the frames out and stuff like that.
This is a smoker.
What does that do, Levi?
This is helped to calm the bees down inside the hive.
Okay.
Queen comb.
Queen clips.
Queen clips. You catch the queen in this and then put it in the hive. All the bees will go after the queen and walk inside the hive. This is a bee feeder.
Yep, feed the sugar water. Put a bottle on there and it goes into the entrance so they have food.
This is another hive tool.
I believe this is used to grip the frames and pull them up out of the hive, but we're all new to this, so this is learning for us as well.
I think this is to get the comb off the extra things.
Yeah, like the caps.
Frames, the extra
The caps. Well, it's like scrapes the caps off. So at least these are the pieces we're going to have, and of course we're going to need gloves and a suit. But I think for the equipment, that's all we have. So we're going to open this one up now. Levi, can you move all this stuff over here, bud, for me? Just out of the way while we open this up. All right, so we unboxed the equipment that'll help us with the beehive, but now we're gonna actually unbox the
hive stuff.
All right, let's just start pulling stuff out.
So this is what is it called?
This is foundation.
Foundation, where they put their honeycombs in.
They'll start building their comb on this. This one goes on the upper box, I believe.
This is another
foundation.
I think this is the one they lay their eggs in. Yep.
This is the deep, the super, so hold that too. And it's sticky, it's got beeswax on it. They dipped everything in beeswax.
Oh my. This is some wood.
It's got some pieces of wood for the frames. We got different size frames. There's
different sized screws.
Okay, bag of screws.
I don't like the smallest stuff. More wood.
Let me get this organized.
There's more of that. Here are these.
Look like frame pieces. More frame pieces.
Here are the box pieces. It looks like.
Oh.
This is the
side panel. This is a side panel, I think. We'll see. We'll take them out. This is the entrance where the bees go in and out.
Or the blockers, so no other.
This looks like
bees
the
could get
bottom part.
Another handle.
Another side panel, it looks like. Okay.
A giant side panel.
Oh, that looks like part of the deep.
Side panel.
Yep, that's the deeps.
There's a lot of side panels. Yeah.
That's the medium.
Another deep. Whoa. Now here is this.
There it is, the
Maybee.
Maybee.
And this is a top piece.
The inside cover.
And then this is the normal cover.
Got some nails for the frames.
This protects your bees from the rain, right? Oh, and here's the queen excluder. All the other bees can get through it, but the queen is too big.
And so this will go between the bottom box and the upper box because the bees will get through and take care of the honey, like Leela said, but the queen can't get through and lay eggs. So the honey
you can
all
put
on
that
the top,
wherever you don't want the queen to go.
The honey all on the top will be the honey that we get. So now that we got everything unboxed, we're going to do a time lapse and put it together.
Yep. Let's go.
Here we go. It is done. Here is the beehive.
After an hour and a half or 2 hours, me and my dad worked on this.
So go ahead and take the top cover off.
So this.
That's the top cover. Here's the inside cover.
Here is where all the honey that we get.
Yeah, so pull out one of those frames. All right.
Queen excluder and all this honey you will not mess with because.
Well, it's not just honey, but that's where they lay their young. That's called the brood, I think.
They have
So.
what they need for the winter.
And then down here is the entrance hole. So there we go. Can't wait for this one to get started.
Now we need to buy some bees.
Something new for the homestead.
What about wild bees?
Wild bees would be cool.